Hi viewers, welcome to the channel. This is Neela. In this video, we will solve all the questions of exercise 5.2 squares and square roots. It is from NCERT. Okay, so let's start. Now let's see the first one. Find the squares of the following number. And the number given is 32. See, there are two ways by which we can solve this sum. The one way is given in your textbook and the other one is by using identity. So we will see both the methods. See the first one, I'm taking the one which is given in the textbook. See 32, you can write it as 30 plus 2 and you need to find the square of it. So it means you can write it twice. So you will write 30 plus 2 and then multiply by 30 plus 2. See, when I'm not putting any sign here, it means there is a multiplication sign. So this thing indicates that you need to multiply this whole term by this term. So what we will do, we will take first 30 and we will multiply 30 by 30 plus 2, this whole term. Okay. Now plus sign is here. You put plus sign as it is. After that 2, now you multiply 2 with this whole term, 30 plus 2. Right. Now let's solve it. So first open this bracket. So multiply 30 by 30. That will give you 30 square. Then plus sign. Now you multiply 30 with 2. So you can write 30 multiply by 2. Plus. Now we will open second bracket. So now you will multiply 2 by 30. So you will write 2 multiply by 30. After that plus sign. Now 2 multiply by 2. So you will write 2 times 2. Right. Now 30 square. Now whenever any digit or number is ending with 0 and you need to find the square of it, then no need to do the complete multiplication. See how you solved it. What is the square of 3? You can write 9. And how many 0 after that? 1, so just double them. So square of 30 is 900. Let's say you need to find the square of 400. What you will do? What is the square of 4? It is 16. And how many zeros are there? 2, so just double them. Right. Okay. Now, one more thing, always put equal signs. Now, 30 square is what? It is 900. So, write 900 there. Plus 30 multiply by 2 will give you 60. Again, 2 multiply by 30 will give you 60. 2 times 2 will give you 4. And when you add all these terms, you will get 1024 as the answer. Okay, so this is the one way of doing this sum which is given in your textbook. There is one more way of solving it by using identity. Now we will see that method as well. Now we will again solve 32 square by using identity. So what is the identity? See, a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Or you can write a square plus b square plus 2ab anyway, whatever way is convenient to you. Okay, so now we will write again 32 as 30 plus 2 whole square. Now the question is what is A and what is B here? See, you can take 30 as A. Okay, this is your A and you can take 2 as B. Right. Now after this, you would simply put them in the identity which is given. So what is the identity? A square plus 2ab plus b square. What is A? A is 30. So you will write 30 square plus 2 multiplied by 30 and 2 and plus b square. But what is your B? B is 2. Now solve 30 square, it will give you 900. 2 multiplied by 30 and 2 will give you 120 and 2 square will give you 4. And when you add them, it is 1024. So, and you got the same answer which we get by the different method in the previous slide. So answer is same 1024. So by using identity, it looks more simplified and easy to do. Okay. So we will see rest of the sum also by using identity. So the answer here is 1024. Now we'll solve the second sum. It is 35 square. Now we will use the identity. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 35 can be written as 30 plus 5. So first you will convert it into the form of a plus b. Right. Now just use the identity. And what is a here? A is 30 and b is 5. Now identity is same, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Just put the value of a and b. It will become 30 square plus 2 multiplied by 30 and 5 plus b square, which is 5 square. Now 30 square will give you 900 plus 2 multiplied by 30 and 5 will give you 300 plus 5 square will give you 25. After addition, what is the answer? It is 1225. So the square of 35 is 1225. The third sum is find the square of 86 squared. Again, we are going to use the identity. Now 86 can be written as 80 plus 6. That is the a plus b form. What is a here? A is 80 and b is 6. Now again use the identity and write the value of a and b there. So it is 80 squared plus 2 times 80 multiplied by 6 plus 6 squared. And 80 squared will give you 6400 and 2 multiplied by 80 and 6 will give you 960. 6 square is 36 and after adding these three values you will get 7396. So the answer of 86 square is 7396. Now find the square of 93. Again we are going to use the identity. Identity is a plus b whole square which gives you a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now first of all write 93 in the form of a plus b. That will give you 90 plus 3. Now, what is your A here? A is 90 and what is your B? B is 3. Now put them in the identity straight away. It will give you 90 square plus 2 multiplied by 90 multiplied by 3 plus 3 square. Now 90 square will give you 8100 plus 540 plus 9. And when you add these three values, you will get 8649. So the square of 93 is 8649. Now see the next one, find the square of 71. We are going to use the same identity. You can write 71 as 70 plus 1, which is a plus b whole square form. A is 70, b is 1. Again write down the identity, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And now put the values of a and b. So it will become 70 whole square plus 2 times 70 plus 1 square. Now 70 square will give you 4900 plus 2 times 70 will give you 140 plus 1. And so the square of 71 is 5041. Okay. Now the sixth part is find the square of 46. Again by using identity we are going to solve. 46 can be written as 40 plus 6 which is a plus b whole square form. So a is 40, b is 6. Again using the identity just put the values there. It will become 40 square plus 2 multiplied by 40 and 6 plus b is 6 so it will be 6 square. See 40 square will give you 1600 plus 480 plus 36. 6 square is 36. Now add these three values, you will get 2116. So the square of 46 is 2116. Okay, now we'll understand what are Pythagorean triplet because next few sums are related to this. See, Pythagorean triplets, let's say there is a right angle triangle whose the triangle has three sides A, B, and C. So what are A and B? A and B are the length of legs of a right angle triangle and C is the longest side. So when ABC satisfy the given theorem like A square plus B square equal to C square, then A, B, and C are known as Pythagorean triplet. See, we'll understand by taking an example. See, the 3, 4, 5, they forms a Pythagorean triplet. Why we say so? See, if I'm taking 3 as A, so 3 square plus I'm taking B as 4 and C as 5. So do they satisfy? See, 3 square is what? It is 9. 4 square is what? It is 16. And when you do 16 plus 9, it will give you 25. And what is 5 square? It is 25 only. Okay, so it means 3, 4, 5, they satisfy the above theorem. So they are known as Pythagorean triplet. Okay, now we will solve few questions based on this. Now we'll start solving the sum. See, write the Pythagorean triplet whose one member is 6. Okay, so how you find the other members? See, you can directly use the formula. So it is 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. It means you need to find the value of m first. How you can find the value of you need to assume. So let's say you can assume anyone. You can take 2m equal to 6 or m square minus 1 equal to 6 or m square plus 1. You can start from anywhere. I am taking m square minus 1 as 6. Now when you find m square, it will give you 7. You need m. See when m square is 7. So how you will find m? M will become root of 7. See m square is 7 given to you. So m will be root of 7. Okay, see root of 7 will not give you any integer value. It means you can't assume this. So what we will do, we will assume we will say, let's say 2m equal to 6. So now you want to find the value of m. When 2m is 6, m will be 6 divided by 2 and the value of m will come 3. Now once you get the value of m, now you can easily put them in the formula. So the first member will become 2m. It is 2 multiplied by 3, which will give you 6. And next one is m square minus 1. Put the value of m as 3. It will give you 3 square minus 1, which will give you 8. And the last one is m square plus 1. 3 square plus 1. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 1 will give you 10. So the three Pythagorean triplets are 6, 8, and 10. See, what are these triplets indicates? These triplets indicates that there is a right angle triangle like this, and 6, 8, 10 are the members of it, are the sides 6, 8, and the longest one is 10. Okay. Now in the next sum, the value of the one member is 14. So how we find the other two? We will use the same formula. It is 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. You can start from anywhere. Let's say I'm assuming m square minus 1 equals to 14. So what is m square? M square will give you 14 plus 1, which is 15. So value of m will come. It is root of 15. See, m square is 15. So what is m here? M is root of 15. So root of 15 will not give me any integer value. So it means we can't take m square minus 1 as 14. So we will assume other one. So we will say, let's say 2m equals to 14. Now find the value of m. M will become 14 divided by 2. Now m is 7. Now you got the value of m. Now you can easily find the other members. See, the first member is 2m, which means 2 multiplied by 7, which will give you 14. Now the next one is m square minus 1. Put the value of m there, you will get 48. And in the third one, m square plus 1. Put the value of m as 7, you will get 7 square plus 1, which is 49 plus 1, that will give you 50. So the Pythagorean triplets are 14, 48, and 50. Now let's do the third sum. Write the Pythagorean triplet whose one member is 16. So we know the formula. It is 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. So we need to assume this time, let's say 2m equal to 16. You can assume. Now we need the value of m. So 2 will go on the other side. So you will say 16 divided by 2. So the value of m is 8. Now you can find the other members as 2m. 2 multiplied by 8 will give you 16. M square minus 1, put the value of m as 8. It will be 8 square minus 1, which will give you 63. And the last one is m square plus 1, which is 8 square plus 1, which will give you 65. So the Pythagorean triplets are 16, 63, and 65. Now let's see the last sum. Find the Pythagorean triplet whose one member is 18. We'll solve in the similar manner. We will assume, let's say 2m equals to 18. M will give you 18 divided by 2, which is which is 9. Now put the value of m in the 2m. So 2m will give you 2 multiplied by 9, which will give you 18. Now m square minus 1 will give you 9 square minus 1, which will give you 80. And the last one, m square plus 1, will give you 82. Okay, so the three Pythagorean triplets are 18, 80, and 82. Okay, so this completes our exercise 5.2. Related square and square root, and we will see the solution of 5.3 in my next video. Thank you for watching.